Okay, so first of all, thank you very much for such a grand convocation with on the Airmate, which is entirely a new platform, definitely for our girls also, and collaboration with Wisely Wise in terms of this kind of a skill building intervention as a part of fundamentals of AI and conversational AI. Definitely, girls have learned lot of skills through your platform, which is very much interactive and infographics and in addition to their engineering degree, this is definitely a value add. So I would really like to thank Amsa and Chandra for your great initiative and being with us all the time for last 2 years. There were follow-ups and there were initial because for the first time international certification we introduced in Leela Punala Foundation. Uh, on behalf of mom, dad, that is Leela mom and Firoz dad and Preeti, I really would like to thank both of you for giving this opportunity to our girls. I'm sure that girls have understood that how much valuable this certification is for all of them in considering their future aspirations. Even during pandemic, they were able to complete the course sitting at home at their own pace, getting the guidance, query solving from Wisely Wise and Wise Central platform. One more important thing I would like to tell is I would like to thank Harshali and team. Harshali is the training manager of Leela Punala Foundation, and she is the backbone of the whole all training intervention. So, following up with the girls, selecting the girls, because this for this we selected the girls for this particular, because this was a special batch. So out of whatever girls available, we selected the girls based on certain criteria. So these girls are special girls who got the certificate today. So Harshali was the backbone of it, who did everything, follow up with the girls, and then motivating the girls to complete the course, and mediator in between Wisely Wise and Lila Punala Foundation, wherein it was really a great job with her team. Definitely, I would like to thank the other members of the team also, that is Nishat, Pallavi, who were all the time supporting Harshali to get the things done on time. So that is how it is, and I wish all the best to all the girls. Good luck to Hamsa and Chandra also for because I know that is a very young baby of yours and startup. So there are many more program that is really progressing very well, as you told in our last meeting. So it is wonderful. So thank you so much.
Follow up with these girls. So it was from your guidance which I could make out, taking the next step, what is to be done. So thanks to you for this, and Hamsa ma'am, to you as well for coordinating. You also coordinated with along with me. So thank you for that, and special thanks to Soundarya because she was taking a right follow up from starting when we thought that we will be doing the conversation. From that time onwards, she has really helped me a lot, and every day we had a conversation round at least for 10 minutes every day, so that the session should go on smoothly without any problem. So she used to take a lot of follow up, so thanks to her a lot. And regarding the AI course, as I also have done the course, so a lot of videos that were shown regarding the robotics, voice design. So those also have really helped me a lot and enhanced my skills. And this was my first certification course which I did too after my completion of my graduation. So thank you for that.
So thank you so much. First of all, thank you so much, Wisely Central, for such a wonderful platform. See, in today's era of technology, we just hear about the terms like IoT, AI, ML, NLP, and whatnot. But uh, but there is a lack of clear understanding of such terms because as we are students from different branches, not there is a branch of artificial intelligence, but we are from different backgrounds and we don't have any clear understanding of such terms. We just hear about this. But Wisely Central has provided such a platform where everything is well planned, and quizzes are also there, and there are some milestones. Means we get something after a completion of some milestone, so we think like we have accomplished something. So I like that platform. Even the quiz at the end, that was also nice because because only after getting 80% marks we can go ahead, so that was must, I guess. And yes, thank you so much. Even the a way of teaching was, it was not like we are watching a video. It was like someone is teaching us from a front other side and we are learning. So it was also good. Thank you so much, and thank you LPF for giving us such wonderful opportunity in such a low cost. Thank you. It was also good, and it was some different experience for us because the platform was some different. But yes, it was nice, and even hearing from Leela, we got to see Leela mums after so long. It was a pleasure for us, and even the first from Singapore shared her experience. It was also so motivating for us because at such an early stage she is going to that level, and yes, we can take motivation from her that we can also do such things. And if LPF and platforms like Wisely Central providing us such opportunities, we will definitely learn and go, and we'll try to go to that level.
I love to say thanks a lot to LPF as well as the Wisely Wise Center for providing such a platform. It is all because of the Wisely Wise. Initially, whether I started doing this course, I was afraid, oh my god, I'm from mechanical, how I can do it. I'm curious about taking some new initiative in learning various new courses and whether it is field related or a new field. So I just started under the guidance of Harsharadhi and LPF and as well as Wisely Wise. But initially I was afraid why I should take it. But under the guidance, I built my confidence to do it. As well, the course content was excellent. And one thing I got, whether my field is mechanical, but if it take interest, really it's going to create some innovation. I learned something beyond the mechanical, and I like it is the mechanical advantage. Thanks a lot for your suggestions and guidance, Wisely Wise as well as LPF. I would love to say that every mechanical student should learn AI as well as such a platform like a Python coding, and it will really adding some value. I learned web development. It helped me in business development ideas as well as in something marketing activity like a video creation in marketing. About robotics, as I learned hardware in mechanical basic, and now in artificial intelligence it is an advantage, and really I am able to integrate artificial intelligence with robotics. It is really a good experience about me. Whether initially I was afraid, but actually whether I started real content learning, it's really interesting for me, and really I can say it is an advantage for me. Thanks a lot.
Firstly, I want to say thanks to Foundation for introducing such a amazing courses. Firstly, I'm from electrical department, so I didn't know about in details about artificial intelligence. So I learned new things and so much about artificial intelligence from both the courses. And purpose of job opportunities, it will help me in my resume, and basic means knowledge. I learned so much thing. And artificial intelligence is nowadays very मतलब artificial intelligence मतलब सबके लिए permanently ऐसा for in every factors it will be permanent, I think, in future. So it will very helpful for job purpose in future for me. So thank you Wisely Wise and dad and mom for introducing such a course for us. Thank you very much.
I am from Electronics and Telecommunication Department. I always wanted to learn about artificial intelligence. I have a very much interest in Alexa and in robots, but I could not find the correct course which will help me. But this course was very helpful for me. The videos, the ebooks, and all the stuff, the quizzes were very helpful for me. And in the quiz, which it has 50 questions, which was a prerequisite for the project, which were prerequisite for the certification. It was kind of tough. I mean, we have to pass it, and then and only then we will get certificate. The course was the content of the course was very nice, and I would like to thank Wisely Wise and Leela Mom for giving us the opportunity, and thank you.
Uh, Farin Sheikh. I'm from computer department. First of all, I would like to thank RTF, Leela Punawala Foundation, Mom, Dad, and Preeti Khare ma'am and Pradna ma'am as well, and Wisely Wise for giving us opportunity to take this course. And for as my perspective, I'm from computer department. During my diploma days, I have just heard about these technologies that artificial intelligence, machine learning, they will be the most powerful technologies in future. So I don't have clue at that time where should I learn that and where I should start. Then first, when just I got this notification that we will be selected for these courses, then I enrolled it for, and because now I am seeing that I will be build my career as a data scientist, and it will be helpful for me, and it creates a base knowledge. Thank you.